In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up PayPal business account for Shopify. By the end, your store will be ready to accept PayPal so customers can check out quickly and securely. First, open your Shopify admin by going to Shopify's website and logging into your store. You'll land on the dashboard where you manage products, orders, and settings. If you don't see the admin right away, make sure you're logged into the correct store account. From the dashboard, look for the settings option, typically found at the bottom left corner of the screen with a small gear icon. Click that to open all your store configuration options. This is where you control everything from your store details and checkout preferences to taxes and payments, so it's the right place for connecting PayPal. Next, select Payments. The Payments page shows your primary payment providers, any third-party gateways you've added, and wallet options. Shopify often attempts to pre-configure PayPal using the email you use to sign up for your store, but you still need to complete the connection so funds can settle to your PayPal business account. If you're not seeing PayPal right away, scroll a bit. There's a dedicated PayPal section on this page. Now click on PayPal, you'll see details about the PayPal option available for your region, usually labeled as an express checkout or a standard PayPal integration. This section explains what's included and how it will appear to customers during checkout. It's normal if it shows as not fully set up yet. That's what we're about to finish. Click Complete Setup. Shopify will open a secure PayPal window or redirect you to PayPal to authorize the connection. Have your PayPal business credentials ready. If your PayPal account is currently personal, PayPal typically offers a quick upgrade path within their flow. Make sure the business information you confirm in PayPal, like your legal name, business name, address, and country, matches your Shopify store details to avoid verification delays. If you operate in multiple currencies, review your PayPal currency settings so payouts land as expected. After authorizing, you'll be brought back to Shopify, and the PayPal section should show as connected or active. That's the confirmation that your store can accept PayPal at checkout. If you make changes later, you can return to the payments page to manage or disconnect the integration. That's it. You went to your Shopify admin, opened settings, selected payments, chose PayPal, and completed the setup. With PayPal active, you'll offer customers a trusted, fast way to pay, which can boost conversion, especially on mobile. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.